we present the Composite Adaptive Sliding Controller that enables robust trajectory tracking in the presence of bounded disturbances and model uncertainty. First key property of the controller is the guaranteed trajectory tracking performance. This allows the trajectory planner to select a safe trajectory with theoretical guarantees. The second key property is the ability to use perception data to dynamically change the tracking precision based on the current environment. This allows the controller to be more or less aggressive depending on its surroundings. Results were observed in hardware, where 2 leaf blowers nearly blew the vehicle into an obstacle when PID control was used. Using the Composite Adaptive Sliding Controller instead, tighter trajectory tracking and improved overall performance were observed. In the last hardware experiment, the controller changed its tracking precision using perception data when it was in an open environment, cluttered environment, and again in an open environment.